Okay, welcome back, viewers. Today we're going to show you how to make fire starters with three simple things: with egg crates, some pine shavings, and some beeswax or
Soy wax.
some soy wax. And simply cheap fire starters. It won't cost a lot to make, and you can use it for campfires and whatnot. And
You put it like that even. Okay. Right? Like that, look at.
so my chef, the mother-in-law here, boss lady, has told me that we're going to melt these shavings down, and it seems to be going pretty quickly here because they're already been shaved. And then my job is to fill these egg crates here with some pine shavings.
So. You fill them really good. Really full. And make sure it's just like flat though, because it will absorb the wax.
Oh.
Just a 3-step process.
Fun. All right, so now we got our oil.
The wax.
Wax.
And you just pour it all over. Make sure you really cover it well. Okay. And that one is done.
Ooh, that's all it is to it.
You just let it take it and cover it up and put it on a table to dry.
Compliments Market Basket eggs. And we'll show you it burning later. Alright folks, it's a little bit dark out now. So now I can show you these fire starters going off. Take this egg crate case. You notice most of this shaving's all stuck together because of the wax. We're going to take it, just break off a little chunk like that. I'll usually take off 1 or 2 cells. I got a little bit of a container right here just for demonstration purposes. And here, we'll start off with 1. I take off the top there and lights right up. As you can see, lights right up real quick. Stays lit. Yeah, we'll put that right on our. Yeah, the wax will drip right in there, and got ourselves a little homemade fire. Anyway, thanks viewers